Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with oh my goodness, I can't believe I recorded and didn't record. So I opened these cards and I thought I hit the recording, or I don't know what happened. Anyways, so these are Christmas cards that I received from some of my crafty friends here, you guys. And oh my goodness, I feel so bad. I was so excited. This was the first card I got, and this was from Mary Allen. I did open it on video, you guys, and did say I hope this was a cricket, because if she didn't do a cricket, that's an amazing fuzzy cutting. Anyways, so thank you, Mary Allen, for sending me and thinking of me with, oh my goodness, with this. Thank you with the gift for the Christmas card. You guys, I did say, oh my goodness, hopefully everybody had an amazing time this Christmas. Everybody was able to spend time with your family and were able to enjoy your family. But yeah, oh my goodness. Anyways, and this one is from Tree, and basically on this one she said, basically, thank you for amazing friendship, and thank you Tree for also thinking of me. How cute. And of course she does this on her, I think, okay, I want to say this is her brother, Scan and Cut brother. Not sure, but how cute. Anyways, and this one is from Dina. And again, Dina, I cannot remember your channel name. I do apologize. I do watch your videos. I still watch your videos. I'm sorry if I don't comment, but I am watching. And basically, she just wanted to say, you know, thank you for the amazing box that I sent back a few months ago. I did try calling you, Dina, and I know you were going through a situation back in August, September, can't remember what month it was, but I did try calling you, and I do apologize for my lack of communication again. I did mention that on the first video, and I do apologize. But anyways, you guys, thank you again for watching. Hopefully each one of you guys has an amazing new year. We'll see you guys on our next video next year. Bye for now.